The same thing with the Jamil. They chant a Namabhas. Just Namabhas. He's not in the Hare Krishna movement. He's not initiated in chanting 16 rounds a day, or 4 rounds a day. Minimum usually is 4. Many gurus, they initiate only, they say do minimum 4. Of course, Mahaprabhu said if you chant a lakh, you get siddhi, you get perfection. That's a fact. If you chant one name purely, you also get perfection. So it's quality, but quantity can also help quality. More nam, more quality. If the attitude is right, if you're not making offenses. Many, ifs. Oh, I'm chanting a lakh a day. I'm chanting a lakh a day. Acha, you're a great devotee. Oh yeah, see, look, I have big Tulsi beads, and I have the Tulsi necklace I have on my wrist. I'm big bhakti. Oh, you're a big bhakti. Please, how can I serve you? So then, big bhakti means big hankar, attitude, karab, and then Krishna's weight. Chinadapi. You're chanting Hare Krishna, but you're not hearing me. You're chanting Hare Krishna, Hey Krishna, Hey Krishna, Hey Krishna, Hey Radha Raman. And then they say, yes. Oh, you puffed up guy, you puffed up Russian. Oh, listen, I have a message for you. You've been chanting 64 rounds, I have a message for you. Trinadapi, Srini, Chenad. But we don't hear. We chant 1 lakh, we don't hear. And 2 lakhs. Hey, did you hear about Krishnadas from Slovenia? He's chanting 2 lakhs. Wow, Krishnadas. Get on your Facebook. Krishnadas chanting 2 lakhs. Oh, he's Bara Bhakti, And everyone's writing letters. Krishnadas, how do you do? Writing letters. Krishnadas, how do you do? Writing letters.